guys, we invited you to join the LCIF Association. To become a member, just click on the link below. Here you can get support, information, and discounts. Hello guys, welcome to Panlasang Lowcarb. So today I'm gonna make cabbage tuna salad. So ang ating mga ingredients: mayonnaise, onion, paprika, lemon juice, salt, chili flakes, black pepper, hard-boiled egg, tuna in water, and cabbage. Yung cabbage pala guys, 1 cup lang ito. Ginadgad ko siya dito. Pagkatapos kong ginadgad, hinugasan ko siya sa water and then strainer ko siya dito. At dapat yung tuna nyo, nakadrain na siya.